Step one. Step one is multiply, if necessary, one or both equations by a constant. When I say a constant, that's just a fancy schmancy word for a number. A number without a variable. So, step one is multiply, if necessary, one or both equations by a constant, so at least one pair of like terms has the same or opposite coefficients. Romero, go on to finish that one assignment. All right. And let me know when you're done. Issues there, good. Step two, add or subtract the equations to eliminate one of the variables. Step three, solve the resulting equation. Step four, substitute the value from step three into one of the original equations and solve for the other variable. And we're rocking and rolling. I should have put that step 5, rocking and rolling. Go and write this down, please. So I'm multiplying the whole equation by 2. Let's see what happens. What's 2 times negative 5x? He's leaving about 5 minutes. Nice. Look at negative 10x. 2 times a negative 6 is a negative 12y. 2 times a 23 is a 46. Look what I got now. Well, do we have the same coefficients now? Yes. We do, huh? Okay, let me bring down this first equation. Look what I got. What? Okay, see how we have the same coefficient now? Now, if I add or subtract the equations now, something will be eliminated. The x's will be eliminated. What would I do? Add them or subtract them, though? Subtract them. We've got a question. Hit it.
What happens to that equation when you just multiply? That just gets off the way?
This equation turned into this equation.
So we don't need that.
Oh, wait, no. Wait, let me get this first. Give me a second. This equation turned into this equation. I tweaked it.
Right. So
that's what happened. Nothing happened. It just transformed.
So we don't need...
This one?
Yeah.
Wait, yeah. This became this now. Question. No. Sometimes you will. Sometimes you won't. In this case, we only do one.
Now you said with the scale, you have to do one thing to one side of the other. Same thing to one side. The same thing that you did to the other side.
Right, and we did. We did that to the left and to the right. We multiplied by 2, and here it is.
Oh, I thought you meant, yeah, I get it.
Right? Each equation stands on its own.
I was thinking that one equation was on the left side of the scale, and the other was on the right.
The equation itself is the scale. Okay. Should I add or subtract, Garcia? I think you said it. Rock and rolling. Watch. Do this with me now. Look at what I'm doing. I'm doing step 2 now, by the way, just in case you're wondering. Add or subtract the equations to eliminate one of the variables. Let's do it. Negative 10x minus a negative 10x is bye-bye. That's what happens. Negative 12y minus a 3y. Help. Be careful. Nice. Negative 15y. Watch that. And then we got 46 minus a 1 is a 45. Rocking and rolling. All right, step 3, I think we're on. Let's see, what does step 3 say? Solve the resulting equation. I shall do that. Or we shall do that. How do you solve for y? Help. By? One more time? Close. Close. Pacheco, stay with me. Come on. Nice. Now we're talking. See, negative 15 divided by negative 15. Y is negative 3. We're almost done with the system, you guys. Remember ordered pair? So we know the y is negative 3. Let's figure out what x is. How do we figure out x is? Well, let's see what step 4 says. Substitute the value from step 3, which is negative 3, into one of the original equations. go to the OG equation. What's the originals? Right here. Take your pick. Which one do you want to substitute in for? It doesn't matter.
It's like bottom.
Go bottom. I'm with you. So wherever I see y, I replace it with -3. Here we go. Let me rewrite it. I'll go with red. Let's go green, actually. Who's the Packers fans in here? -10x plus 3y is 1. Wherever I see now y, I replace with -3. -10x plus 3 times -3 equals 1. It's rock and roll. -10x plus -9 equals 1. Add 9. Notice you're rocking and rolling. -10x is 10. Divide by -10. X is -1. Our solution to the system, ladies and gentlemen, is -1, -3. Beautiful. I did all 4 steps right in front of your face.
Can you scroll down a little bit?
Hit it.
No, wait, what? Too fast.
In your face. Just get it. Bye. Bye. You going to?
No.
All right.
Wait. Alright.
Questions? Hit it. One more example, we're done.
Why?
All right, 5.
Yeah.
No, that's all we needed is one more.
Seriously.
All we needed was this.
Pacheco, stay with me. Push.
Oh. Oh.
Padilla. You're good? All right, when I'm done, just take those buttons. All right.
It's -1, right?
Simon 19.
Yes. We got it? Go ahead.
Will it be a problem where once we get the pair, do we have to graph it? Will we have to graph it?
That was solving systems by graphing.
No, I'm asking like once we get it, do we have to graph it? Like in one of the assignments.
Like just the ordered pair, the point.
Right after we do all the work, do we have to graph it?
All you would be doing is graphing a point. It would really show nothing,
Oh, that's true. Never mind.
right? It would make sense if I asked you solve the system by graphing, so you have 2 lines and you see the intersection.
4 equations, we don't need that.
Actually, the problem of the week that's coming up today is actually 3 equations.
Oh, hell no.
You got to solve that puppy. It's actually a math 3. It's a math 3
You said it was 4
concept.
equations.
I like that. Coming up. Stay tuned. The theater
Give all the points to
near you.
over here. Genius.
Makes it easier than 4.
I'm calling you Mr. Genius. That's all you do.
Those guys, take it away. Yes, dude. Come on.
It's
those
wrong.
guys.
Take them away. Take the points away.
Here we go.
Both. Have some fun.
Here we go.
One thing can be bad.
Really? Let's do this.
Pop side.
Example 4.
I was weird.
You're mean. You guys are mean.
If you change it 1 second.
Last example. Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. That was
Did you
10.
guys get your motorcycle license for the speed?
Hold up real quick. Let's do this. Gonna
No, that's a serious
derail my thoughts here.
Serious
Yes. Here we go. X plus 4y is, last example, 22. And 4x plus y, oops, 4x plus y is 13.
4.
Let's do the 4 steps together. Here we go. Last example of the day.
I already know how you do I already know how you do it with three equations. I know how you do it.
Real quick though. I'm going to ask from the bottom of your heart if you forgive me. This is not example 4.
I'm using a
Wow.
pen.
Wow.
I'm using a pen.
Thanks for forgiving me, Rivera. He's all, wow.
I'm using a pen.
You're the man. Sorry about that. Cross that out. Cross that out.
Yeah, very remorseful here.
Cross that puppy out. There we go.
What's your tail like? 99%
By the way, you're on YouTube.
Oh,
That's proof.
Yes.
Let's give that to the cop.
it was a cop.
So did you get more?
They'll help me too.
You're mean.
You know, it's good.
Is it faster to
Yeah,
walk?
and I can barely measure myself in my body.
Is it faster to walk when you
Hold up 1 second. Hold that thought. I'm trying to pick a winner here.
I know how you do the one with the equation.
Here we go.
You got the other one.
We got a doozy here. Negative 3x minus 5y equals negative 7.
Is it going to be substitution or elimination?
This whole lesson is elimination. Negative
Three
4x
equations.
plus 5y
Follow the lead.
equals 14. All right. Step 1.
Yes, add.
All right, you want to go. Argument, please, Garcia. Why would we add them?
Because then now cancel out the 5 and take away the y or whatever.
Right, we'd eliminate the y's. So Toscano, let me talk, man. So notice, we already have opposite coefficients, negative and positive 5. We don't have to multiply jack by anything. All we gotta do is add these puppies and we're rocking and rolling. Here we go. Let's see, negative 3x plus a negative 4x.
X equals negative.
Right?
Yeah.
Negative 7x?
Yeah.
5y plus negative 5y is see it later. Negative 7 plus a 14 is a negative positive 7. So on this example, we skipped step 1. Think about it. We didn't have to do step 1. That's why it says if necessary. Look at it. It wasn't necessary to multiply anything by anything. We could eliminate the y variable by adding the equations. Ready to rock and roll. Let's divide by negative 7. X is negative 1. That was step 3. And last but not least,
Put it in the other or any.
right. Which one should we pick?
First one.
Let's do it. So I'm going to rewrite the first equation over here, substituting x with negative 1. So negative 3 times negative 1 minus 5 times y is negative 7, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the crooked writing here. Let me fix this here. Why is 2 you said for Jovanovic?
Yeah.
Let's see if Jovanovic is correct. Negative times negative is a positive 3, minus a 5y is negative 7. Let's solve for y now. I'll subtract 3 from both sides. So negative 5y is going to be a negative 10. We'll divide by negative 5 on both sides. So y then is positive 2. Very nice. So our solution was negative 1 for x and positive 2. We solved it. Excuse me. Thank you. Questions?